I will show you how you can text chat in Overwatch 2 on PS5, PS4 or Xbox. It's quite easy, and let me show how. So first load up your game, and then you should see similar window here like I'm seeing here right now. And if you want to chat, you just need to press your left thumbstick, and now you can write a message here. But currently, as you can see here, I'm not in a channel, so I cannot do that. So what we can do here, we can go on play, and we can go, for example, in training and practice range, right? And once we here, we need to wait for a few seconds, select legend, and then we need to press options button when the menu pops up. Now you can press your left thumbstick, and now you can chat with the team or join previous channels, right? As you can see here. And that's pretty much it, how you can text chat in Overwatch 2 on PS4, PS5 or Xbox, right? So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.